Hi and welcome to the channel. I am Sunch and I am super duper excited today. So I'm excited because of two reasons. One of the reason is that the thing that we're gonna unbox today is something that I've wanted from ages. And the second reason is that I am assuming so honestly that I'll be the first Indian YouTuber to unbox these. So super duper excited. Without any further delay, without any further ado, let's just bring it up. I must say it's quite heavy. So we have with us the crates from Crep Protect. So I'll tell you something about the brand. So Crep Protect is one of the most premium and one of the best brand when it comes to sneaker accessories. In simple words, we can call it Gucci Prada of sneaker accessories. Crep Protect is basically based in London, and you know they make products like shoe cleaners, sneaker crates, which one obviously we have with us, the laces, and they have a lot of products and they are mostly associated with sneakers. I think we have talked a lot about the brand Crep Protect, so I think we should just unbox this. So we're gonna go in every detail possible, like the pricing, how much I got it for, how much from where I got it for, towards end of the video. But let's just first focus on how the box looks. Honestly, the box feels really premium and there are a lot of things written over here. So if we check out the back of this sneaker box, it's giving us some of the qualities of the sneaker crate. One of them is that it is dust free, it prevents from the direct sunlight, it's high quality, it's crystal clear. It has a front door, it fits a UK 13 footwear as well. So without further delay, now let's just move and unbox this sneaker crate. Come on, let's just unbox this. Okay. So it says Crep Protect instruction in languages, and and if you see it says 20 seconds. You can basically build one box in 20 seconds. So let's just take it away. Okay. Honestly, the packaging feels really premium. I think I've said this before also. Okay, so this is the main glass. Let's put it back. I think I'll have to actually read this. Okay. Oh, not ready. Okay. So few details about this. So this glass is not some normal glass. This actually protects your sneaker from UV lights as well, UV rays as well. So such kind of details have also been, being considered. One of the things that I noticed here was that if you see this is not for a design or something. So this actually goes and fits inside so that, so if you just stack up a couple of them, so they don't actually fall. So this is something, such kind of details have also been focused, while building this box, honestly. Okay, so we had a great time unboxing this, assembling this. But one thing, let's just come to the main part, that's the pricing and from where I got them from. So I was thinking to import them from couple of months, but I wasn't able to because of this lockdown and stuff, COVID pandemic. But then I was just going through Amazon and I found that they were available on Amazon.in, and I ended up buying them from there. This costed me 6,000 rupees to be precise. But if you see this box, it's clearly written that it is of $40. If you just convert it, it is basically 3,000 rupees. So in a way, if you want to buy them in India, you have to pay double the amount of how much they are, which I feel is not at all worth it. 6,000 rupees for these crates is too much. Honestly, it's very premium, it's really good, but for 6,000 rupees, you can eventually buy a new pair of sneakers. Honestly, 6,000 rupees, no, not at all. So I am not ashamed to say that I have actually wasted my money in this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Honestly, I am clueless. This cannot even be returned. So that's how it is, guys. Thanks for watching. I think this would have given you a better perspective about these sneakers. Sorry, it's not sneakers. I have a habit of saying sneakers, about these crates. So thanks for watching, guys. And honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do.